What's going on, you guys? We're starting the day strong with a 91 triple at Costco. Get my boxes right here. Let's have a great day, you guys. Welcome to another video. So I have 5, 18, 11. 11 is gonna get 2 boxes. The 18 item for B is getting 4 for now. And then 5 items, she has dog food and like 2 bottles of wine. I'm gonna set it up like this. Couldn't find any parking on the street, so we're just gonna post up in the alley with the hazies on. Get the cart out, and it's in this building right here. All right, we got that one handled. Time to break this down, check the split, and figure out where we wanna go next. Alright, you guys, I just checked the split. It was absolutely beautiful. The first customer with 5 items tipped like $24, dude. That's really cool of her. She did have 2 bags of dog food, which was kind of expensive, but overall she didn't have to tip that much, and she tipped really well. And B and C also tipped good too. It was a good split. Very happy with that start. I don't know how I feel about the day. There's not a bunch of volume. I think it's gonna be a patience kind of day. Patience pays a lot of the time. When you wait, weekends can hit big. So I'm gonna go back to Costco. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit there, but don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna pass on stuff at other stores if they send it to me. But very happy with the start. With it being a Saturday, my standards are pretty high today. I'm gonna want to stay moving. I am getting some notifications here, so I'm gonna check the phone in a bit. I hope you guys have been crushing it. Let me know how you've been doing. Drop in the comment box if you're new. I feel like this month specifically has been a little bit weird, but we're right around the corner from summer. A lot of people travel. I think we can expect to see some pretty big tips this summer. I do hope it's consistent though. Last summer I believe was pretty inconsistent. But anyways, happy you guys are watching this video. Right now, headed back to Costco to see if they have a little afternoon batch for me. I'll let you guys know as soon as I get it. All right, you guys, we finally picked up a 71. It is a triple, 26 items, I believe, 7 miles. I was seeing some pretty decent volume. It took about 45 minutes to an hour to come in. And before I was only seeing, 30s, 40s. I saw a couple 50s, but they were heavy. I'm not the biggest fan of running 50s from Costco because most of the time it's gonna have water and the tip's not gonna be that great. But this, however, is a great order. I got some bedding for customer C. She wants a comforter. Probably gonna look for that first. Super pumped about the start, you guys. Let's head up, grab a flat, and get this batch going. After I finished dropping off, Heaven and I went to lunch at Fair Play in North Park. Lately, this has been one of our favorite places because It's never too packed. They have a great beer menu that changes daily, and the food is absolutely fire. We're on a quest to try everything on the menu, and they also have the Padres games on all the time. So if you guys are ever in North Park, we highly recommend you guys check it out. And we are back at Costco, guys. The timing couldn't have been any better. I want to say about 10 to 15 minutes parked here. Picked up an 81 triple. It's like 36 items, 10 plus miles. Not a bad batch to get back in the game after a little bit of lunch. Definitely feeling good and energized for this evening shift. Hopefully I'm able to blow through this batch and get at least one or two more before calling it a day. Very grateful that Costco has been pumping orders to me today. It's weird because at lunch I was sitting in a circle, so I wasn't seeing anything good. And this is why I've talked to you guys about, like, sometimes you feel like you're in a good Costco tier, so like capitalize on that, sit at Costco. Other days I'll sit at Costco and I won't see batches over $40. So it's like you have to figure out the days they want you there and the days they don't. Today it feels like they want me here. I got 2 solid boxes in the back, 36 item triple. It's about an even split, I think 13, 10, 13. So the flat should be evenly distributed. Anyways, enough talking, you guys. Let's grab these boxes, head up, get this batch going. Yo, you guys, you are not gonna believe what just happened. So I just got to Vaughn's because as soon as I dropped off customer C on that Costco order, I was notified for this 65 double, 10 miles, absolutely beautiful order. I don't know how long it was sitting on the screen. Like, it could have just popped up as soon as I delivered. But I'm pumped. This gets me over 312 on the day. Might call it after this one. Super grateful for all the numbers today. Let's head up, get a cart, and get this guy going. Alright, this is how I set it up. So I don't always do it like this, but I didn't want to use 2 carts. So this basket in here, by the way, this bread's not smashed. I can pull it out super easily. This basket and this top part is customer A. And then everything else with that little chicken down there is customer B. So pretty easy for me. Let me know if you guys want to try this or what you guys think about this setup. Time to go check out. Well, hello there. Hi there, kiddo. As you guys can see, we made it back home. Super happy about today. 4 orders totaling $317. Absolutely no complaints. I love hearing your feedback, so let me know in the comments what you guys think about the video and how Instacart is for you guys lately. Also, if you guys are ever in San Diego, don't forget to check out that place that we went to lunch at today. I'll drop its information in the description of this video. Super cool spot and good vibes, so I highly recommend checking it out if you guys are ever in the area. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for staying to the end of the video and watching it all the way through. If you guys haven't subscribed already, don't forget to do so. With tomorrow being Sunday, I want to make sure I get some good sleep tonight. I dropped at the grocery store on my way back, picked up some food, gonna hang out, watch some TV with Heaven, and most likely do some editing tonight. So keep crushing it, keep your heads up, keep focusing on the next day, the next number. Thanks once again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.